How to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. You will land to the For You page. Now head towards the profile page. Click on this icon given over here. Now in this page, you're gonna find all of your reposts. If you want to remove a single repost, you have to open the video. Click on the share icon and click on the remove repost. But if you want to remove all the reposts at once, what you can do is click on three bars given at the top right corner. Click on settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down. Click on report a problem. Scroll all the way down. At the very bottom, you'll find the option of submit a report. Click on it. Now over here, you have to explain that you have used number of reposts, so removing each of them is impossible. So you are requesting TikTok support to remove all of your reposts at once. Once you type in that, click on submit. After you submit your request to TikTok support, it will get back to you within 24 hours. And with that, all of your reposts on TikTok will be deleted. So this is how you can easily delete all reposts on TikTok at once. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.